Hi, this is a quick video about a little gizmo that I've fitted to our camper van to hold the sliding door in the part open position. It's just an L-shaped piece of metal that's glued into the top door roller track. There's a notch in the middle that the door roller can fall into as it rolls past. The top roller supports the weight of the door, so we don't want to put anything too thick on the track as the whole door has to rise up to roll over it. I used 0.7mm thick stainless steel, which seems to work okay. It seems to be readily available on eBay, for instance. It needs to be bent into an angle, but you don't want too tight a radius here because it needs to match the radius at the back of the door roller channel, which isn't that sharp. I cut a notch in the middle for the roller to drop into, and I had to cut it to width because I bought 50mm strip, not 40. So that's the finished item ready for gluing into the roller track. I glued it in with epoxy. There you can see as the roller comes past, it rides up and into the gap and holds the door in position. And if you give the door a little push, it'll carry on going. Or you can just roll the door right over the top of it and you don't even notice it's there. So that's all it is. It's quite simple, quite quick to make. I can't claim it as my idea at all, but it works very nicely. If you fancy making one, good luck and thanks for watching.